If you're wanting to shiny hunt for Shiny Sandygast or Shiny Palossand in Pokemon Scarlet and Violet, this is a super easy isolated hunt to get you both those shiny Pokemon, no problem. Let's hop in. First, as always, we're gonna come down here and make sure our auto saves are turned off. Very important, and then we're gonna lay down a hard save. And as soon as it's saved, we are going to make our sandwich. All right, we're gonna make a level 3 ghost sandwich with the rice drop method, so 1 rice. Then we're gonna come down here and find our olive oil, do 1 olive oil, and then 2 salty Herba Mysticas. If you wanna do this without any Herba Mystica being wasted, there should be a card right above my head where I show you how to do every sandwich without wasting any Herba Mystica and still getting that level 3. But with this rice drop method, we're just gonna drop this rice up here, drop this bread up here, and put the pick in, and within less than 5 seconds, our sandwich is built. Level 3, level 3, level 3, all ghost. That's what we're looking for. Over here in Paldea, we are just gonna come down here to the southeast, to South Province Area 5, this little beach on this southeast corner. Once you're here, as long as that sandwich is going, you're gonna see Sandygasts popping up everywhere with the little red shovel on their head. Now this is a great shiny to hunt for. You want to kind of stay a little bit further away from the water so you don't get too much spawning in the water that's not Sandygast. But this shiny is super easy to look for because it is almost polar opposite. It's got a little yellow shovel on its head and it's black sand. It is such a cool shiny. You're just going to keep on either running around here or you can picnic reset. I personally don't think that this is the greatest of beaches to picnic reset on. So I just like to run back and forth from the Pokemon Center over to this side and back. I'll show you kind of what the picnic does though. So you start to get a couple, but then you get all this stuff behind you. So kind of almost anywhere you go on this beach, if you picnic reset, you're gonna get that. Maybe you can find a location. If you do, comment down below where is good for that, and that will be awesome for everyone else. But I just like to run back and forth, so I'm gonna get hunting. Oh, there it is. That took a second. All right, well, here's our first shiny. Let's lay down a hard save. I do have Gallade out. Just a reminder that False Swipe is not gonna work. It's a ghost type Pokemon. But I'm just gonna try and put it to sleep and catch it at full HP. It's only like 20 something, right? Yeah, 23. Oh, it's a girl. All right, here we go. All right, it's asleep. Will we be lucky enough for first ball? And we are. We get the jiggle. All right, 1 shiny caught. That was pure luck. I was expecting to have to throw a couple balls. We also forgot to check how long that was. So let's go ahead and see how much time that was. All right, so yeah, it was a minute. That probably was about 10, 11 minutes. So now for number 2, let's go find number 2. I don't know if I'm getting this. How much time is left? Oof, less than 3 minutes. Ugh. Yeah, we might not get this second one, which is fine. We can always do another sandwich.
12 seconds later.
Hey, there it is. Awesome. Okay, that was only like 30 more seconds or something. How much time was that? Yeah, like 30 seconds after saying I wasn't getting it. Ooh, okay, let's catch this goober. Our little shiny pineapple has come in and now finally dealt some damage because this is one annoying Sandygast that would not go to sleep. So, got lower HP. Premier Ball, please jiggle, please jiggle, please jiggle. Thank Arceus. All right, caught 2. Our timer is definitely up though. Timer is definitely up. Let's evolve one of these. All right, 42 is the level we need to get it to evolve. Let's try, I don't know, 5 of these. Nope, not enough. 1 more? Probably not enough. Yep, all right, 1 more. And it'll probably get us actually over 42. Yep, to 43. All right, well, so it's over level 42. Now we're gonna evolve this cute little goober up. I do love this shiny. And there it is. Our little yellow shovel, spinning top hat, sandcastle. And here you have it. Both shiny Sandygast and Palossand. Awesome shinies. I love their little yellow shovels. Super easy. This beach is full of them. Granted, it did almost take me the full sandwich to get both of them. Maybe I would have had to have used a second sandwich, which is fine. That's only if you want living. I got the first one in whatever that was, 11 minutes. So, if this was helpful for you, comment down below how long it took you. Hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe to get even more shiny isolated hunts coming up. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.